Hello friends, welcome to my channels Mitu Sir Classes. Now I am going to discuss about the Indian Polity Article of the Constitutions. Indian Polity Article of the Constitutions. Article 33. Article 33, Power of Parliament. Power of Parliament to modify the fundamental right. Power of Parliament to modify the fundamental rights in their application to processes, in their application to the processes or etc. Power of Parliament to modify the fundamental rights in their application to the processes. Next, Article 33. Article 33 says that Parliament has the power. Article 33 says that Parliament has the power. Parliament has a power. Power to modify the rights confirmed by the Part 3rd. To modify by the rights confirmed by the Part 3rd of the Constitution. Part 3rd of the Constitution in the application to the in the application to the member of armed forces and member of the forces charged with the maintenance of the public order. Maintenance of the public order. Article 33 says that Parliament has the power to modify the rights conferred by the Part 3rd of the constitutions in their application to the members of the armed forces and members of the forces charged with the maintenance of the public order. Armed forces, Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian नाभा ये तीनों जो है ना, ये हमारा डिफेंस मिनिस्टर के अंडर में जा सकता है. ये है मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दूसरा है पैरामिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और दूसरा जो है सब हमारा होम मिनिस्टर के अंडर में जा सकता है. Next, this article states that Parliament shall have a authority. This article says that Parliament have a authority to modify the applications of fundamental rights. Parliament have a authority to modify the applications of the fundamental rights to the members of the armed forces or intelligence organizations or so that to ensure the proper discharge of their duties of maintenance of disciplines and maintenance of the disciplines among them. This article 33 states that parliaments have the authority to modify the application. Parliament have the authority to modify the applications of the fundamental right to the member of the armed forces. Fundamental rights to the member of the armed forces or intelligence organizations like IB, CBI are to ensure the proper discharge of duty and ensure to the proper discharge of their duties and maintenance of disciplines and the maintenance of the disciplines among them. Article 34. Article 34, restrictions on fundamental rights. Restrictions on the fundamental rights while martial law is in force in any area. Martial law is in force in any area. Restrictions of fundamental right while martial law is in any area. Article 34 provides that the rights conferred under Part 3rd. Article 34 confirm that right confers under the Part 3rd of the Constitution, under the Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution may be restricted. Indian Constitution may be restricted while martial law is in force in any area. Next, this article lays down the restrictions This article lays down the restrictions on the fundamental rights. This article lays down the restrictions on the fundamental right. When martial law is in a force, when martial law is in a force in area, it curtails civil liberties. It curtails the martial law. It curtails the civil liberties. When martial law is in force, when the martial law is in force area, it curtails the civil liberties to great extent on account of threat. To great extent on account of the threats of the public disorder and violence. Public disorder and violence. Next, martial law is a state of affairs. Martial law is a state of affairs declared by a civil government. Martial law is a state of affairs declared by the civil government, under which military forces are empowered. Under which military forces are empowered to rule of a government. Empowered to rule of a government. Next, section 144. Section 144 is a provision. Section 144 is a provision under parliament on provisions under criminal procedure. Under criminal procedures code of 793. Under criminal procedure code of under 793, which is a notification. This code is a notification issued by a district magistrate. Issued by the district magistrate, prohibiting the assembly of more people. Prohibiting the assembly of the more peoples in a specified area. In a specified area. Article 35. Legislation to give effects. Legislation to give effect to some of the provisions. Legislation to give effect to the some of the provisions of fundamental right. Legislations to give effect to some of the provisions of the fundamental right. Next, according to Article 35. According to the Article 35, the Parliament and the state legislation. According to the Article 35, the Parliament and the state legislatures has the exclusive power. State legislature has the exclusive power to amend the certain fundamental rights. Rights under Article 16, 32, 33 and 34. According to the Article 35, Parliament and not to the state legislatures has the exclusive power. To amend certain fundamental rights. Article 16, 32, 33 and 34. Next, the article says that power to give effects. The article says that the power to give effects to fundamental right. Give effect to the fundamental right. Fundamental right mentioned in this part is exclusively given to the Parliament. Is exclusively given to the Parliament, not to state legislatures. Not to state legislatures. Next, difference between martial law and emergency. Difference between martial law and emergency. Martial law not defined. Martial law is not defined in the constitutions. Martial law is not defined in the constitutions and on no specific provisions. And no specific provisions are laid down. And no specific provisions are laid down for its deployment. No specific provisions are laid down for its deployment. Next, effect only fundamental rights. Effect only martial law effect only fundamental rights of the residents of the specified area Next, suspend the government as well as ordinary court of law. Suspend the government as well as the ordinary court of law. Next, imposed on accounts of breakdown. Imposed on accounts of the breakdowns of law and order. Imposed of the accounts of the breakdown of law and orders in a specified area are applicable in the martial law. Next, emergency. What is the emergency? Emergency well defined in parts 18, article 350 to 360. Well defined in the part 18. Well defined in the part 18. Part 18, article 350 to 360 of the Indian Constitution. Well defined in part 18 of article 350 to 360 of the Indian Constitutions. Next, the wider implications of over fundamental rights, durations of the legislature, descriptions of powers and federal structure, Next, ordinary court of law keep functioning. Ordinary court of law are functioning in the emergency. Next, imposed on the account of war, external aggregations, armed rebellions in case of the national emergency. Imposed on accounts of war, external aggregations, armed rebellions in case of the national emergency. Next, the failure of the constitutional machinery. Case of the president's rule. In case failure of the constitutional machinery in case of the president's rules under Article 356. The failure of the constitutional machinery in case of the president's rule under Article 356. Thanks. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.